Just like mobiles, printers have also become a need for us. But designers and artists need another level of it, the 3D printers. They need their ideas to turn into reality as 3D objects. They are becoming popular in today's world at a faster pace. Every designer is searching for the one which suits him best and meets his needs. In this video, we have listed the top 5 best 3D printers available on the market. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Creality Ender-3 V2 3D Printer. The first 3D printer in our list is from the renowned brand Elegore, the first seller of Creality 3D. The Creality Ender-3 V2 is a silent 3D printer with a self-developed silent motherboard, which ensures faster printing, more stable performance, low decibel printing and silent printing. The incredible machine is equipped with UL certified mean-well power supply to meet all the fast heating and long-time printing needs. The power supply is concealed in the machine, making it safer and easier to operate the printer. It has a rotatory knob added to the extruder, which makes it effortless to load and feed filament. Unlike its predecessors, Ender-3 V2 has a 4.3-inch color screen and a newly designed operation UI system for a new and better user experience. Its carbureted glass platform allows the hotbed to heat up quicker, and prints adhere better without warping and have better smoothness, even on the first layer. Also, with its resume builder function, you don't have to worry about power cuts. With its resume printing function, you can easily resume prints from the last layer, making it more cost and energy efficient. Anycubic Photon Mono 4K 3D Printer. The second printer in the list is the Anycubic Photon Mono 4K 3D printer with a new and upgraded 4K monochrome LCD with 35xy pixels and the best printer with a higher accuracy grade. It offers 7% high light transmittance, which absorbs higher curing UV for faster printing and curing speed. The amazing printer is embedded with a 3840 by 2400 pixel resolution. The screen has over 9.2 million pixels, that is, 2.2 times clearer, 122% higher than a 2K resolution screen and has 4 times more life expectancy than an RGB screen. It has a sawtooth texture and smaller pixels which prints a more delicate and smoother surface. Its Mono 4K utilizes a high contrast ratio of more than 350 to 1 monochrome screen, which helps produce highly detailed prints with clear and sharper corners and edges. Anycubic Photon Mono 4K supports regular 405 nanometers UV and unique resins, making it suitable for a wider range of materials and situations. Unlike its competitors, that has many LCD screen problems, this amazing 3D printer offers a replaceable anti-scratch film between the screen and protective film for utmost protection. Elegoo Resin 3D Printer. Elegoo Resin 3D Printer is one of the most energy-efficient printers available. The stunning printer comes with a 9.1-inch 4K HD monochrome LCD with 4098 by 2560 resolution, which decreases the printing time per layer to 2 to 3 seconds, along with better quality printing. It offers a larger printing volume of 196 mm x 122 mm x 210/7.71 and x 4.80 inches x 8.26 inches, so you can easily print bigger complex structural parts or multiple small 3D models at a time, so you can easily print more models in less time. Its matrix light source of 54 UV LEDs emits an optimal uniform light beam of 405 nanometers wavelength, which helps in fast prototyping and ensures a sleek, smooth and delicate surface of a 3D printed model. The printer features a dual Z-axis linear railway which offers more precise and steadier motion. Furthermore, it has a plug-in active carbon filter on the USB port that can effectively absorb and filter the resin odor and pungent fumes to get a refreshing printing experience. Anycubic Photon Mono X 3D Resin Printer. The fourth printer in our list is Anycubic Photon Mono X 3D Resin Printer with 8.9 inches 4K monochrome LCD screen with an HD resolution of 3840 by 2400, 4 times faster than Photon and 3 times faster than other resin 3D printers. You can print multiple models of the same size simultaneously with its large printing volume and printing size of 192 mm x 120 mm x 245 mm/7.55 inches by 4.72 inches by 9.84 inches. Also, you can easily control and monitor the printing process of this printer using the mobile app Wi-Fi control feature. It features a new UV cooling system that contains exclusive UV heat dissipation channels, which cools down the machine effectively and ensures stable printing performance and greater service life. The printer offers a high-quality power supply with CE marking, UL and ETL certification to ensure a safe and reliable printing experience. It also has a new and friendly UI menu that is super responsive and intuitive and makes your task hassle-free. Creality Ender-3 Pro 3D Printer. The last printer on our list is Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro 3D printer, which is a powerful 3D printer with a brand new brass nozzle which can stand up to 300 degrees Celsius printing temperature and is compatible with multiple filaments like PLA, PVA, ABS, wood, PTG, TPU, and PA, giving more possibilities for creation. It has a 4.3-inch LED touchscreen which offers better UI interaction and will dim out automatically after 3 minutes of inactivity. With its Sprite full metal dual-geared direct extruder with an extrusion force of 80 N, you will get smooth feeding every time while printing with different filaments. Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro has a spring steel PI magnetic build plate, which enables fast heating up of the heat bed and provides good adhesion to the printed models. It has an inbuilt filament sensor which can automatically detect the filaments running out so that the users can add filaments in time. The printer is equipped with CR Touch, and the 16-point automatic leveling can complete instantly with compensation for points printing height on the heat bed. 3D printers are great to use. They give your outputs an attractive and eye-catchy look. With a 3D printer on your desk, you can print anything you can think of. The 3D outputs will look amazing and solve the tiresome process of making something from scratch using raw materials. Also, now you know everything about the 5 best 3D printers. So, grab one for you now and enjoy the printing technology of the new era. If you like this video or this video helped you, please give this video a like. Links to all the product mentioned are in description box down below. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to receive update on our latest video.